Guys, I'm sorry for not uploading any videos. Here we have a package for me, and it's from Amazon. Oh, Amazon. I have no idea what it's. So let's open it. Well, let me tell you the story. So I saw a UPS truck coming out of my nana's house. I was like, oh, what's that? And I was like, hey, Nana, I was at my other grandparents' house, Nano's grandparents, if you can't pick up on that. I said, hey, Nano. I called them up. It's just across the street, two of my grandparents, they live literally diagonal from each other. So I said, hey, Nano, can you check if you have my package? He said, yeah, in a couple minutes. He called me a minute later, saying, hey, Chris, I have your package. It says Christopher Barsotti on it. And I was like, alright. I mean, it's not really spelled my name wrong, but so then let's open it. It's the next chapter of this. I want to be very careful because it feels like there's something in here. FIFA Street, PES 2015. Esports 2013. FIFA Street, FIFA Street, FIFA Street. Alright. Take it. I love this. And I'm looking at the back. PES, oh my god. I can't wait to build my team. Oh. Audio's not on. The audio's not on all the way. Can you guys hear me better? Hopefully you can. I'm just gonna leave it at that. So Amazon, thank you. FIFA Street, PES 2015, and Gelato, blah blah blah. Oh yeah, I've had some difficulties over this week, so I'm sorry. It's personal why I haven't been uploading, and hopefully you guys can understand that sometimes personal things do happen, and to the point where you can't really, and you don't really feel like making videos. So I felt like making a video on this packaging. I thought that said PS4 for a second. I was gonna go, ha! No. I wish, but no. FIFA Street. I'm so happy. Yes, I ordered PS3. Don't worry about me getting PS2 shit. Cause that hasn't happened before. I've never ordered from Amazon before. The box inside of this thing is so comfortable. I didn't know whether it was gonna come in a box or just a little thing like this. I forgot that these things existed. I like it. It's like bubble. The inside covering is bubble wrap. Yes. 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 I love bubble wrap. Yes, I'm ripping it up. I say softly, slowly. Yeah, I think it's just not gonna work anymore. And guys, I'm gonna say goodbye for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all. No, I'm not Jacksepticeye. Yeah. I don't know. I've been watching a lot of Jacksepticeye. Don't judge me. I'll see you dudes. Yes, that is my outro. I used to have it on all the old videos that I deleted. I used to say, hey, and I'll see you dudes next time. Peace out. No, peace out.